Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Gixxer SF250. So I am waiting for this vlog because I'm so excited that to drive a vehicle and give a test drive on this and walk around videos. So let's go to headlights. Completely it is same as 150, so SF. So here you can see completely LEDs on headlight, white LEDs. I like the treatment on that, so nice unique design. So no cross cuttings on the design of LEDs headlights. So here you can see telescopic shock absorbers, nice performance of this shock absorbers and very grumble, very big. And here you can see dual channel ABS it is. So this is 280 mm of disc brake at the front and ABS. So these are the ABS chains of that. So here you can see, so this is tubeless tires and the tire profile of this is 110 70 17 inches tires front, and these are MRF tires. So nice performing of the tires also, I can say Suzuki. So there you can see the complete outlook of the engine, then horn there. So these are the indicators as same as a 150. So it is somewhat bigger than that as seat height and ground clearance and width and the height of the vehicle. Then the 150 SF, it is a 250 SF. Indicators are bulbs, so disappointing me somewhat that. So that is a Suzuki Gixxer. So I have been done a vlog just before. So this is a look of the Gixxer SF side 250. So here you can see Suzuki oil cooling engine system. So this is oil cool engine system of 250cc and nice copper treatment and color treatment on the engine, and completely outlook somehow at the engine side, and nice plastics, nice fiber finishing on the mold of the front. And these are the front foot pegs and rubber finishing grabs. These are the rear brake, nice position of the foot pegs front. So here you can see the aluminum rear foot pegs. And coming to the silencer, there is dual chrome treatment on the silencer. So chrome treatment is nice. Sorry for dusty on the vehicle now. So there you can see the rear shock absorber, 7-way adjustable of Monopoly single shock absorber, white color. It is nice treatment on this black finishing, matte finishing. I like the color in the 250s, so I will show in the. So this is a rear shock absorber, nice grab finish at the rear and completely packed out and neat finishing. So coming to the rear tire, this is MRF tires again, and 150 60 17 inches tires these are, and 240 mm of disc brake at the rear and ABS. Both the channels are ABS at this price segment. Nice price at this Suzuki Gixxer SF250. So as same as 150 as taillight, completely bit and put it in the 250 also, we can say as V-shape LEDs. So nice treatment of taillight, I can say. So this plastic finishing and rear mudguard also is same, continuous rolling to the all Gixxer bikes, unique design. And coming to the other side, this is a sadi guard and it's an open chain system. Here you can see, and you can see completely all bikes of alloy wheels are same, 50 150 Gixxer, and all the alloy wheels are same. Here you can see. So coming to the pillion seat, the 150 to 250, the height of the pillion seat has increased some more high, and these are the splitted seats, front and driver seat and the pillion seat. Here you can see the mold of the pillion seat holder is nice scrappy finishing. So coming to the here, nice color treatment on the engine, I have said already. So here you can see the Suzuki logo, nice chrome treatment on that. Suzuki Gixxer SF batch 250 SOX treatment here. I can't see this, so in detail we can see. So this is a engine completely 250cc. so this is the highest engine we can say. After that we can go to the Suzuki bikes, higher models. So nice finishing side stand. So this is completely looks like it's a sports bike. It's also a sports bike, we can say. So here you can see the treatment of matte tank finish, nice bigger tank, fuel lid attached to it. And coming to the handlebars, wide enough than the 150 to the 250. It is better than the 150 of handlebars wide. So horn is decent. Indicators, high beam and low beam pass light. So coming to the other side, engine kill switch and startup button. So here you can see the key placement of the center, and it's a sports bike design, of course we can know that. So the finishing here you can see in detail, nice plastic finishing and smoothie piano finish at instrument cluster. So here you can see the instrument cluster. So gear indication, RPM meter, odometer and fuel injection. So there you can see the speedometer. Here you can see the side view mirrors are large enough and the unique design cuts. So this is the difference between the Gixxer and and Gixxer SF 250. Both the CCs are 250 engines, so tire profile is also the same, I can say. And completely both the bikes are BS6 vehicles, matte finishing black. I like the finish of the painting on this vehicle. So both are LED headlights completely, but I go to the who are interested in street rides, they should be definitely go to the Gixxer, and who are interested in the sports bikes and sports position to visit, so they can go to the SF 250. Both the engines are awesome performance, not disappointed me in this. So price segment is also good, and looks are super, I can say, at very attractive looks. So this is a walk around video of Gixxer SF. So let's go to test drive and see how the performance, mileage, pickup, etc. Friends, now let's start the engine sound, how it is. This is a startup of engine. Here you can listen the silencer sound, very nice and dependable engine, very silent. At the racing sound it will be very good. Let's go to test drive. Both the engines are 250 engines, so let's give a throttle and see. 8000 rpm first gear, 40 speed, 7000 rpm second gear at 50 speed. So easily it is raving and good performance. As you can see, engine is the same completely to the Gixxer, and only a design and a seating position, it's a sports bike. So now I'm in the first gear, 6000 rpm 30 speed, 6000 rpm 45 speed, 6000 rpm 55 speed at third gear, 6000 rpm at 70 speed at fourth gear. Awesome performance as compared to the same engine as Gixxer came. So that is a Gixxer, and this is Gixxer SF. But the position on the Gixxer is awesome, I can say. I can't forget that a bike of white, and also this position is also nice, not so lacking on the position of driving position. And at curves it is very good performing. You are excited in curves, so better than that. So as you can choose that, if you want to ride up street rides, who are interested in street rides, betterly they can choose that bike, and who are interested in racing and racing in racing mode, they can definitely go to this bike. That is Gixxer. Nice performance, punchy performance, nice, and it gives 26 bhp of power at 9300 rpm and 24 Newton meters of torque at 7300 rpm as same to the Gixxer. So there is no difference between in engines, only a design is changed in the both, and position is changed. As if I said, lights are very good at the night time, all the LEDs in the headlight, and brakes are super duper performing. Both the brakes are ABS, dual channel ABS on this brake. It is a chain system engine and single cylinder engine. So now let's see the turning radius without keeping your legs down. So now I'm in the second gear. Easily we can handle maneuver it better than the Gixxer in turning radius. Sorry, not a Gixxer, then the 150 SF. So very good punchy performance, awesome performance, I can say, as compared to the same engines. So brakes are too good, both the ABS and dual channel. Both the brakes are disc brakes. Position is also nice, pillion seat, who can be easily sit and to the family members. So this is 6-speed manual transmission and 250cc engine. So oil cooled engine it is, very good performing, and price is also very nice. Compared to the Gixxer and Gixxer SF is nothing much, only a 15 to 20,000 difference between both the bikes here and there. So nothing so difference. So who want to go to street rides, so they can definitely choose the Gixxer, Suzuki Gixxer. Who want to racing and position of the bike, so definitely go to this bike. This is a tough competition to the Honda CBR older generation, but it is a new generation of BS6 vehicle. Paints on this vehicle are very good, colors are very nice. I like the one color in this bike, that is blue treatment, and sorry for that, there is no test drive on that vehicle, only a single piece in the showroom, that guy. So excellent performance, excellent braking, excellent suspension, so very good performing. Shock absorbers are very nice performing. Front has a telescopic, rear has a single monopoly shock absorber. If you are in any gear, fourth or fifth gear, easily you can handle, and easily it is raving. It will really control the gears, etc. See the sound of the silencer, awesome, I can say. So this is the test drive vehicle. I am very impressed. I am giving this vehicle to 10 out of 8 to this vehicle. So this is a video of test drive and walk around video of Suzuki Gixxer SF250cc. So till now you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So if you want to buy Suzuki Gixxer SF250, please visit the showroom near Kukatpalli, Y Junction. So in Hyderabad, you will get the best discounts and offers. Please subscribe to my channel and show to them. You get the best amazing offers on this bike. So this is a video. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe guys. Thank you so much.